Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reference data from other Google Sheets. But here's a detailed guide on how to reference data, right, from other Google Sheets. That's cross-sheet referencing. The first thing to do is to open the Google Sheet file you want to reference from and the one you want to reference to. So let's say this is a Google Sheet file here, and this is another Google Sheet file that I want to reference to. So the two of them are open. So go to the Google Sheet you want to reference data from, which is here, and then copy the URL of the Google Sheet from the browser's address bar. You need this to pull data from the sheet into another sheet. So this is it. I'm just going to highlight this and Control C, and now Control C that. That means I've copied it. Forgive my grammar. Then the next thing to do is to open the Google Sheets where you want to where you want the reference data to appear, which is here. So go to the cell where you want the reference data to be displayed. This is the cell. I think I would like to choose the cell. So in the destination sheet, use the import range function to pull data from another sheet. So this is the formula structure. This is the formula structure. So type the equal sign and type in import range, which is here, and now you have the parentheses open for you. Then the next thing that you need to do is to put the quotation mark, that's the open quotation mark, and Control V, that's to copy the URL. So that's it. That's the spreadsheet URL. And once you're done, go ahead and close your quotation mark. And then you add a comma. Then you give a space, and then you add your range. That's your sheet name or your sheet range. Okay, so let's go with that. You inverted comma again, sheets, and then your dash, then the name of the sheet, which would be a spreadsheet, and then go ahead and close the quotation and close your parentheses. So that is how it should be done, and then click on enter, and you see that that's loading error data. Okay, so they said it can't find the range of the importance. So I'm just going to click on backspace. So let's go over that again. That wasn't entered correctly, so let's go over that again. All right, so equals, then import range, then open parentheses, then just go ahead and Control V. So after doing that, you Control V and close the inverted comma and a comma, then give a space, open your inverted comma again, your quotation mark rather, and putting sheets. Okay, that's not my sheet. Okay, that's the name of the sheet would be a fish spreadsheet, then exclamation mark, and then you put in A1, that's my range, to, let's say, B5. Then close your quotation mark and close your bracket. So once you're done, go ahead and press enter. So you see a message saying you need to connect the sheet, but mine is not connecting. It's a formula parse error. Okay, so mine is not connecting, but just go ahead and do that. So just like A1 to A3, or okay, A1 to A3 in this spreadsheet, or A1 to B3. It's not just really working. Let's just go over it one more time. Okay, for the last time, if it doesn't work, you can just try to see if it works for you. Import range, open your quotation mark, Control V, then after Control V, close your quotation mark, put the comma, give a space, then open another quotation mark and have a spreadsheet. Exclamation. It's gonna be A1, give a space, colon, and that's going to be colon and B3. Okay, you don't have to give a space between A1 and B3. So just A1 and B3, then close your quotation and close your parenthesis and click on enter. So it's loading, ref, oh. So I'm literally done with that. But then after entering the formula and pressing enter, you see a message saying you need to connect this sheet, right? So once you get that, click on allow access to grant permission for the destination sheet to pull data from the source sheet, and the selected data from the source sheet will now appear in the destination sheet. That's it. So whenever the data in the reference sheet changes, it will automatically update in the destination sheet as long as the two sheets remain connected. Okay, so that's for if it works. So it says cannot find range or sheet for important range. I don't know whether it is not seeing that this is the name of my sheet, or it just not want to just respond to me. All right, but then that's pretty much the process. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.